Hello friend, welcome to TLK Arena. Please like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, so we're making our favorite fried chicken recipe today, and we're going to start with preparing buttermilk. Usually we'll like to use the egg dip, but today we're trying a different method by using the buttermilk recipe. And because we don't have the buttermilk today, we're going to make our own buttermilk. Now we're going to start by measuring 2 cups of 3.5% milk. I think we'll do 1.5 cups because of the quantity of fried chicken we'll be making today, so we're going with 1.5 cups. And we're going to add to that some acid in the form of white vinegar. That's what we have handy. You can use any form of vinegar or any other form of acid, which could include lemon juice. So it goes 1 tablespoon for each cup of milk. Now because we've added 1.5 cup of milk, we've also added 1.5 spoon of vinegar. We're going to stir this properly and then let it sit for at least 15 minutes, and then we'll be back. So 15 minutes later, and here we go. We have our very clumpy, but as expected, buttermilk. So we're going to whisk this until it's actually smooth. Having whisked it, it now has like a uniform consistency, not exactly like super uniform, but good to go. And then we'll proceed to our chicken and mixing our flours. Here we have our chicken. We'll let it marinate overnight. Basically you can use any spices of your choice, but what we've used here today is salt, black pepper, onion powder, and some dried thyme. We're going to drain the water out of it while we'll go ahead to prepare the flour mixture. Now for our flour mixture, we'll be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now you could use either breadcrumbs, or we have here cornflakes crumbs, and that's what we plan to use today. The purpose of using the cornflakes crumbs is so it can have the extra crispy feel. So I'm going to measure 1 cup of the cornflakes crumbs and then add that to our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I personally never used baking powder with fried chicken, but I'm going to try it this time and see if it makes any meaningful difference, because lately I've been seeing videos of people using baking powder. So I'm just going to use like half a teaspoon of baking powder in here, and I'm also going to add some chili powder. Here I'll add some chili powder to this mixture, because the hotter the better for fried chicken, if you know what I mean. We're also going to add some cayenne pepper, about 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and some onion powder to the mixture, because you can never have too much of onion in your milk, and a little bit of ginger powder as well, like 1 level teaspoon of ginger powder. And finally, the most important ingredient, which without it your food is basically tasteless, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt to that, and then stir it together properly. Now we're going to start dipping and coating our chicken. If you watch what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to dip with this hand and then coat with this hand to prevent my hands from getting clumpy with all of the mixture. So this is what I'm gonna do. Dip with this hand, drop it, and then coat with this hand. Some people like to be heavy on the coating, but I'm pretty okay with having a light coating. And then I'll shake that off, let it sit here and rest while we get on to the next one. Now this is our oil. It's been heating on low heat and I think it's ready to go now. So we're just going to drop our chicken in there and deep fry. So we're going to let it deep fry for about 12 minutes depending on how high or how low your heat is, or until it's golden brown. So it's been about 14 minutes and our chicken is golden brown and ready to go. Before you go guys, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also leave your comments if you have any, and hit the notification bell to be alerted each time we post a new video. Until next time, bye bye.